Let's solve this continuity problem. Okay. So you have to find a and b if f of x is continuous at x equal to pi by 2. So you are given for left hand limit you have to use this function, and for right hand limit you have to use this function. And this is given continuous. Okay. So let's write left hand limit as limit x tends to pi by 2 minus 1 minus sine cube x upon 3 cos square x. So we know that whenever it is not tending to 0, we have to change this, right? But here there is no term like pi by 2 minus x or anything else, right? So here you have to simplify this. That is, you have to use trigonometric identities which you have learned in trigonometry. So 1 minus sine cube x, you can write it as a cube minus b cube formula you have to use. Okay. A cube minus b cube formula is what? A minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So using that, we can write this as 1 minus sine x to sine square. First is 1 square plus 1 into sine x plus sine square x upon 3 cos square x. You can write 1 minus sine square x. Okay. So we can write this limit as x tends to pi by 2 minus 1 minus sine x 1 plus sine x plus sine square x 1 minus sine square x. You can use a square minus b square formula. So 1 minus sine x into 1 plus sine x. You can cut this. We'll write 1 plus sine x here. Now if you put pi by 2 here, so what will be the answer? 1 plus sine of pi by 2. Sine 90 is 1. Again here also 1. Here also 1. So we can directly put pi by 2 here. So we will get 1 plus 1 plus 1 square, which is 1, upon 3 into 1 plus 1. So this is 3 upon 3 into 2, that is 6, 1 by 2. So LHL we are getting 1 by 2. Okay. Let's solve for RHL. Right hand limit as x tends to pi by 2 plus, okay, b 1 minus sine x upon pi minus 2x the whole square. Okay. Now here the term pi minus 2x is given. So we can convert this. That is, we can write x tending to 0 as x tends to pi by 2. Okay. That is, we have to write this in terms of some other number. That is pi minus 2x. I can write it as h. Okay. So this minus 2x equal to h minus pi. So if I take this minus this side, it will be pi minus h. And if I am taking this 2 here, then it will be like this. So as x tends to pi by 2, our h tends to 0, right? Yeah. So substituting this in place of x, we will get limit as h tends to 0, b 1 minus sine pi by 2 minus h by 2 upon h square. Okay. So sine pi by 2 minus h by 2, sine pi by 2 minus theta it is in the first quadrant, so it becomes cos h by 2. Okay. Upon h square. So this is 1 minus cos x upon x square formula you have to use, that is as x tends to 0 it is half, right? So we want this angle should be same. So here h by 2 is given, so we want here x square upon 4, right? 2 square. So we are multiplying and dividing by 4. So this term becomes half as h tends to 0. So I can write here b into half into 1 by 4. So this is b by 8. Okay, so RHL we got b upon 8. So now as f is continuous at x equal to half, x equal to pi by 2, RHL is equal to f of pi by 2 is equal to LHL. So f of pi by 2 is given a equal to LHL is half. Okay. Then b by 8 we can equate it to a, that is half. So we'll get b equal to 8 upon 2. So b is equal to 4.